Our vision for the system of work, particularly in large enterprises, is a platform that brings everything together based on Jira, Confluence, Loom, and Rovo, which is our teamwork collection, which is newly announced as of Team 25, but also with our teamwork graph, bringing in data regardless of where it sits within an organization. And that includes not just the teamwork graph availability, but also within Rovo and several of our other products. And how we're starting to scale this is what we have called platform apps, which you'll start to see a lot more around with Team 25. This includes search, chat, agents, our agent studio, which is a hub for creating all the things inside Atlassian that you want to. We're really trying to bring that vision to life on the platform as it expands outward. Our AI strategy with Rovo really comes together around the idea of it's your AI-powered teammate. So someone that can help you out, someone that can go find information for you. And just as a practical use case, I had a session at Partner Accelerate the other day. I used Rovo to help pull together the best in breed from Atlassian's own knowledge base to put into a single presentation. Rather than me going and searching across potentially dozens, if not hundreds of files, I was able to just type in, hey, I need something on the best of breed in solution design. And it said, hey, here's your pages, here's your slides, here's everything you need all together at one time. So we really see it as the person that's there to help you. It just doesn't happen to be a person, it's an agent. So to help simplify the tooling landscape and the just sprawl of apps that are out there across the enterprise, a lot of what we're doing is pulling in modern ways of working, such as using Rovo, which is our AI tool, and also Loom, which is a recording method where you can just record a short little video and then post it. But with AI, all of this starts to come together. So for example, you can have a Loom AI note taker that joins meetings. It can live output data from that meeting to a Confluence page that everyone at the end of the meeting gets a link for, along with the link to the actual video recording from the meeting, along with notes, summaries, next steps all together. And so that way we really harness the power of AI to have those modern ways of working so that we can spend less time on the administrative overhead, more time on the actual development. So a lot of the challenges that we see organizations face as they attempt to consolidate is just old ways of working and things that are ingrained in the institutional memory. So reasons like, oh, accounting has done it this way for the last 20 years. We don't want to change. We like our hard-coded paper. It really takes that change management component to bring the modern ways of working along with the Atlassian platform. So there is a huge opportunity to bring that change management component in and really teach people. And we're talking Joan and Dave in accounting who just do their accounting workflows. They're not developers. They don't know about cloud platforms. They just want to get their work done. How do we make sure that we have a platform and a way of working that really supports them? And that's what our teamwork collection is all about. With all of the new AI announcements and all of the new announcements at Team 25, we see the partner opportunity as more present than ever. We see partners as the key people, the key experts in the industries to bring our products and our vision to life with our customers. So for example, we are not experts in the insurance industry, but several of our partners are. And so we want to make sure that our partners are enabled and ready to roll on our latest innovations so that they can deliver to our customers over time. The way we see it is if you think of it like an ice cream shop. Atlassian provides the ice cream, partners provide the sauce and the toppings, and serve a delicious ice cream sundae that our customers love. But it takes all of us working together, and that means we bring in partners earlier so that they can have the expertise on our products and on our collections and solutions to roll them out to customers. With Atlassian, we see a lot of the trends across big enterprises and even small and medium businesses as well, that processes that have been in place forever are just going haywire. And so what we want to do is make sure that as teams adopt the system of work, we have something for everybody. It doesn't matter whether you're in accounting, you're a development team, you're a QA team, or a legal team. We have something for everybody across the entire platform. And so what you'll see with our platform apps, for example, our search capability, we are surfacing that inside every Atlassian app, regardless of where you are in the system. And if you have AI and Rovo turned on, it gets even better powered by our AI experiences.